Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Circle water bottle. First, carefully unpack your new Circle bottle and all its parts from the packaging. Next, give the bottle, lid, and any other components a good wash with warm, soapy water. This ensures everything is clean and ready for use. Finally, make sure all parts are completely dry before you start assembling them. Now, let's add some flavor. Take your preferred Circle flavor cartridge and carefully remove the protective seal from the top. Next, align the cartridge with the opening located on the underside of your Circle lid. Gently push it in, then twist the cartridge clockwise until you hear a distinct click. This ensures it's securely locked and ready to infuse your water. With your cartridge in place, it's time to fill your bottle. Add fresh, cold water to your Circle bottle, making sure not to exceed the indicated fill line. Once filled, securely attach the lid by twisting it clockwise until it's tight, preventing any leaks. Finally, adjust the flavor dial on the lid to your preferred intensity, anywhere from 0 for plain water to 10 for maximum flavor. You're all set. Take a sip and enjoy your perfectly flavored water. Remember to clean your Circle bottle regularly to maintain optimal hygiene and ensure the best taste. For easy cleaning, disassemble the parts and wash them with warm, soapy water. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Happy hydrating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.